Hello Tower Barbecue friends, today we're going to show you how to assemble the BBQ05SS. So the first step is to take the grill out of the box. Just going to unscrew here. And then I'm going to use a screwdriver to finish up another crate since we use the staple gun. Now that we took off all the panels, I'm going to lay down everything on the floor so it's going to be easy to lift it up. Here we have the griddle, main grill, shovel, the brazier, drain system, the handle, holder for the poker and shovel, the system for the high adjustable system for the main grill, the main wheel for the high adjustable system, the legs for the high adjustable system, and here we have the pocket. So now I'm going to take the bricks off. Now this is going to make the grill way lighter to lift it up. Now we're going to take off this wood structure to help the bricks stay in place when we ship it. And right now we're going to lift it up, put it on the table.
The square tube with the hook to hold the brazier has to be looking towards the outside. Same with the tube that has the brake for the high adjustable system. First, gently adjust the 4 screws. When all the screws are in place, adjust them properly. The square tube helps the bricks to hold together and to prevent the heat to go to the door.